Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually reopen snaps that you have already viewed in your Snapchat app. But before we start our video, as usual, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first of all, you will just go to your Snapchat app over here. Once the app is open, what you will do is you will simply just go to this chat box option given below, tap on it. Here you can see all of the snaps that you have got. So for example, I'll tap on this one. Here you can see I've got this snap, right? It's so pretty, but I will go back. So you can see I have checked all of the snap from this person, right? So what I'll do is, as you can read over here, hold to replay or save. Simply hold that particular snap. You can see save in chat or replay. So if I tap on this replay option, I can again tap on this particular snap and I can view the snap over here. We'll go back, and as you can see, if I tap on this particular snap over here, this first one, then I will simply long press on that one. You can see save in chat option, right? Tap on that one. Now this snap is now saved as a chat. So whenever, let me go back, I came back right to this chat, I can tap on it. It's open over here like the snap. It's never gonna be gone. So yeah, this is how you can simply either replay your snap, or either you can save that snap here in your chat, so you can again come back and check that snap out. So this is it, guys. This is how you can simply do it with the two options that I just gave you over here. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.